Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi Q3 key battery. First, ensure you have the correct replacement battery, typically a CR2032 coin cell, readily available. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a similar prying tool to assist with opening the fob. This process is straightforward and can be done quickly at home, saving you a trip to the dealership and ensuring your key always works. Now, let's open the key fob. Locate the small release button on the side or back of your fob and press it. This will allow you to slide out the emergency key blade. Once the blade is removed, you'll see a small slot. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the two halves of the key fob. With the key fob open, you will see the old coin cell battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Once reassembled, test your key fob's functionality by locking and unlocking your Audi Q3. This ensures everything is working correctly. For more great tips and deals, check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.